Attention, Project Online users. A big announcement from Microsoft. Project Online is retiring. After 13 years of service, the end date is official. Microsoft announced the retirement on September 5th, 2025. Support for existing tenants will cease on September 30th, 2026. This is the deadline. After this date, the service will no longer be available. So, if you're using Project Online, you have a crucial choice to make. Do you face a complex migration to a costly, non-Microsoft solution that could struggle to integrate with your existing ecosystem? Or do you choose a smooth transition to a Microsoft-recommended solution? Introducing ConnectPlans360, the seamless way to transition your project and portfolio management using Microsoft Planner Premium and a Project Accelerator. ConnectPlans360 is the comprehensive platform built specifically for organizations moving away from Project Online. It gives you robust functionality with an unparalleled user experience. Why choose ConnectPlans360? The key is integration and simplicity. You avoid complex migrations, enjoy secure login via Office 365, and stay deeply embedded within the Microsoft ecosystem. This platform offers a powerful feature set for both the PMO and the user. Portfolio prioritization, comprehensive program and portfolio views, and essential resource management capabilities, including central resource pools and engagement approvals. We also support all your execution needs: timesheets, task updates, risk and issue management, and even project desktop integration. It's also incredibly easy to administer. No advanced skills needed to configure security or manage access. ConnectPlans360 is built for the future, supporting modern project frameworks like Agile and hybrid methodologies. Your plans and tasks adapt fluidly, giving you the flexibility Project Online lacked. Beyond features, ConnectPlans360 delivers improved cost efficiency with flexible pricing and is completely scalable to grow with your organization, from small teams to large enterprises. Finally, creating insightful reports is simple with easy-to-build Power BI reports. ConnectPlans360 empowers you to make data-driven decisions quickly. Don't wait until the deadline. Choose the premier, Microsoft-friendly solution. Choose the seamless transition. Choose ConnectPlans360 to elevate your project management capabilities and secure your organization's success. Ready to explore the best path forward? Click the link in the description to schedule a personalized demo and see ConnectPlans360 in action. Stop worrying about complex migrations